Welcome back. In our last lesson, we used the decomposition tree to explore how our key metrics break down. This time, we are going to use another powerful AI visual to answer what is often the most critical business question: why? We'll be using the key influencers visual. This tool is designed to analyze your data and tell you which factors have the most statistical significant impact on a particular outcome. It's perfect for answering questions like, why are her sales increasing, or what factors are leading to customer churn? Let's add the key influencers visual to our canvas from the AI visual section. It's right here. Similar to the decomposition tree, this visual has two main fields. Analyze the metric or outcome you want to understand. Explained by the potential factors you believe might be influencing that outcome. Let's pose a clear business question. What influences our total sales to increase? I will drag total sales into the analyze field. For the explain by field, I will add the potential drivers we want to investigate, such as region and price per unit. Before we dive in, I'll quickly format the price per unit field in the data field to 2 decimal places for better readability. Right now, it has so many decimal places. So let's go to the data view. What we want to have adjusted is the price per unit, and let's set the decimal place to 2 and not auto. Now it looks cleaner. The visual defaults to the key influencers tab. At the top, we can choose whether we want to analyze what causes total sales to increase or decrease. Let's stick with increase. Power BI has run a regression analysis behind the scenes and has ranked the most impactful factors. The top influencer is price per unit. The visual tells us in plain language, when the average price per unit is more than $44, the average of total sales increases by $104,000. This is a powerful, actionable insight. It tells us that higher priced items have a significant positive impact on our overall sales figures. If we click on the second influencer, region, when the region is southwest, the average of total sales increases by $45,000. This identifies a key geographical driver. This visual provides a direct data-backed answer to the common why questions we get from stakeholders, presenting it in an intuitive and easily understandable format. Now, let's look at the second tab, top segments. This part of the visual takes the analysis a step further. It uses AI to identify and cluster groups or segments of your data that lead to a particular outcome. Think of it as an automated customer profiling. Power BI tells us it has found several segments and ranked them. The size of the bubble represents the number of data points, that is the population in that segment. If we click on segment 1, the pane on the right gives us a detailed profile. It might tell us, for example, that the high-performing segment consists of customers in the Southeast region who purchase items above a certain price point. Now, while this is incredibly powerful for deep dive analysis and customer profiling, it can sometimes be complex to interpret. For day-to-day business questions, many analysts find the key influencers tab provides the most direct and immediately actionable insights. It excels at clearly communicating the primary drivers of performance, which is its core strength. The Key Influencers Visual is an exceptional tool for moving beyond simple reporting and into true analysis. It automates the complex statistical work required to determine causality, allowing you to quickly and confidently answer the why questions that drive strategic business decisions.